Hi everyone, my name is Zhen Yan, and today I will introduce to you the emergency response planning device I designed in assessment to. I chose Lockhart River, a community of more than 15 people located on the east coast of the Cape York Peninsula, Australia, which rich natural resource and cultural heritage. The traditional residents here include up to 6 Aboriginal families. The community still faces many challenges, including health, incomes, housing, groceries, education, and family issues. The emergency response context I chose is flooding during the rainy season from December to April of the flowing year in the Lockhart River community. Heavy rains can cause flooding, submerging the only transportation route and completely isolates the community for 6 months and seriously affected the community's material supply. During this period, the community relies on a barge freight service to deliver supplies needed by the community once a week, which is often interrupted by the weather. To meet this challenge, my design is based on the 6 pillars of food security of the United Nations: availability, accessibility, stability, utilization, autonomy, and sustainability. These pillars provide a comprehensive framework for ensuring community food supply. At the same time, I also refer to the Australian Aboriginal Cultural Respect Framework, which emphasizes the importance of respecting and maintaining Aboriginal culture. It allows me to strive to avoid the invasion of modern patterns and behaviors in my design, and respect and adapt to the diverse needs of the community. And in the community plan document, the county CEOs need to obtain more job opportunities by learning skills was also explored in my design. The core of this scheme is to establish a set of planning devices suitable for the Lockhart River community, focusing on the respecting and integrating the cultural background of the community and avoiding the invasion of too many modern models. The community consists of 6 traditional families, each with unique beliefs and languages. Therefore, my design must respect and adapt to their diverse needs. After in-depth investigation, it was found that only 8% of the Aboriginal population reached the recommended intake of the fruits and vegetables. Therefore, the establishment of the planning device not only alleviates the problem of the food storage, but also further strengthens the dietary health of the community residents. In order to better involve residents, my design will provide guidance on learning planning knowledge and invite community members to participate in the design process and ensure that their voice and opinions are fully respected and reflected by drawing on the device. In addition, by providing training course on planning and maintenance plans, the professional skills of the community residents will be enhanced, allowing them to be responsible for planning, maintaining, and managing this device. In this way, the planning device can not only efficiently alleviate the problem of the food storage, but also provide an employment opportunity for the community, enhance the community's sense of the identity and the belonging, thereby ensure the long-term success of the project and the sustainable development of the community. The survey found that the housing needs of the community gave the Aboriginal residents the opportunity to learn architecture expertise and brought jobs, which provide an inspiration for my system design. Lockhart River has a tropical savanna climate with high temperature all year round, average temperature between 30 and 40 degrees Celsius. Therefore, traditional ground planning is not suitable for the local climate and culture of the Aboriginal community, and because the community housing in Lockhart River is relatively modern, there are no elements that show the community culture. For this reason, my planting device will consider enriching the wall of the community building in the force of a planting wall. Placing potted plants with original cultural elements on the wall can not only reduce the occupation of the limited lands, but also beautify the community environments, and at the same time enhance the residents' sense of the identity and the pride in their own culture. Through the study of the Teuton and the ritual of the 6 existing traditional families, I found that the community has a strong cultural heritage and artistic atmosphere, which provides a solid cultural foundation for the subsequent joint design of the installation by the residents. Through offline inspection of the building material stores such as Bunnings and the product service on online shopping platforms, it was found that most potted plants are made of economical and durable polypropylene materials, as well as more member of the decorative ceramic and wooden pots. Considering the community's realities such as the limited finance and high temperature environments, I chose the economical and durable polypropylene materials to ensure the durability and the economy of the device. Through research and analysis on the planning requirements and the growth environments of the different seeds, I summarized the several major factors that affect the seeds and then screened out seeds suitable for planting in wall garden. Here are some of my process models in the sketches. This is the final display of the model and the planting guide. The planting pot is mainly composed of 3 parts: the pot bodies, 2 screws for fixing, and a removable display board. My final design has an inclined bottom, which ensures that the plant can still receive enough light even if multiple parts are closely arranged in the future. We also ensure the visible area of the display board. The design of the planting instruction manual is to help residents learn more convenient how to grow from seeds. It forms a systematic teaching by learning the main planting steps. Residents purchase manuals containing different types of the seeds, which will show the specific plant and the cultivation method of the different seeds, as well as precautions. The rendering of the potted plant matrix. People can install multiple potted plants on the wall to form a potted plant matrix, those presenting a huge original artwork through the display panel.